Hi, this is Paul Last Name No. Today is November 17, 2018. I'll be doing lab number 3 for the chicken dissection. And basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be removing the skin and I'll be going over the synovial joints. So let me just go ahead and have that wing here more on display here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the skin. And I'm also going to go over the synovial joints, okay? So basically, what are synovial joints? It's where two bones meet and they're encapsulated by a fibrous capsule, and it allows movements where the two bones meet, okay? And so basically what I'm doing now is I'm going to remove the skin, and then I'm going to show you the synovial joints as I do that, okay? So as you see, as I'm removing the skin, you notice the skin is being connected to the muscle by something called the fascia, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and just show you right here. I'm just kind of chopping away at the fascia so the skin comes off, okay? As you can see here, the skin is attached to the muscle by something called the fascia, and we're looking for the synovial joints, where the bones meet and they have encapsulation that allows movement, okay? So I'm gonna continue cutting away at the skin here so that I can show you the synovial joints. I'm just gonna keep cutting away here. And I'll just go ahead and just cut here and just pull off the skin. That'd be better. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the skin off. Okay. So as I cut off the skin, you can begin to see like some of the muscle here. And I'll be going over different parts of the muscle, the locations. Like I'm gonna go over like the origin of the muscle. The origin of the muscle versus the insertion. And basically, what the origin is where it's attached, and the insertion is where there's movement when it contracts, and you see movement in the limb when the insertion is contracted, okay? So here we go. I went ahead and just removed some of that skin, and now we can go ahead and just look at some of the structures here. Let me remove this skin here. Okay. So what we're looking at here is you can see the tendons here on the chicken wing. You see the tendon. It's right here. You got the tendon. And here you have the synovial joint right here. You also have one right here, but it's removed, and you have another synovial joint here. That's where the bones meet and you see movement. And I'm just gonna keep trying to see if I can get another display of a tendon here. And here he goes. Here's another tendon right there. Here's a tendon. And then here's another tendon, okay? So now that we've done that, I just want to go over the basics of where the muscle is. Here you have the origin, but when you move down to the insertion and you pull on these, you get movements, okay? And you can do the same for here. You have here is my thumbs are at the origins, but as you move up, you have the insertions, and you pull on these, you get either extension or flexion, okay? Notice you pull on the insertion, you get extension or flexion, okay? So the last part we want to look for is the articular cartilage, which is it's gonna be like, this is the articular cartilage, you can see it here, has like a white layer on it, and when you look at that, it's supposed to be soft so that it provides less friction when you have movement. And hopefully you can see there's the articular cartilage. Thank you.